Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I will show you how you can recover your ChatGPT account right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will start our video. For that matter, what you will do is first let's go ahead, open our mobile's browser. Any browser will do, y'all. You can open any. Go ahead, tap on this Chrome option, go to search bar and now type in chat.openai.com. Simply go ahead, tap on this chat.openai option, and now you will see this kind of interface, right? Since we want to recover our account, go ahead, tap on this login option instead of sign up. And now what you will do is simply go ahead, enter the email address that is connected with your account. The other major thing that you will have to make sure is, if in case instead of account you have used another method, do remember that information. Go ahead, tap on this continue option, and now you got to enter your password. So for example, if you have forgotten your password, that could be the reason that you want to recover. Go ahead, tap on this forgot password option given below and tap on this continue option. You can see you will get an email. Yes, go ahead, check your inbox and enter at that particular code over here. Once you tap on that, you will be able to reset your password of your OpenAI, and then you can again back to your ChatGPT like that. Other than that, what you can do is, if you're still not being able to recover your account, go ahead, sign up with your email address right there and create a new account. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.